Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be deleting the rear muffler on the Skyline. Well, kind of. Stay tuned. Hey guys, picked up this deep socket, impact socket, so it's just the hex, so we can get that 14 off. Let's go do it. Alright guys, so if you watched a couple of episodes ago, I tried to just disconnect the back section here, so that's what I'm going to do. Just open it up and see how it sounds without this massive muffler on the back. Also, in that episode, I did strip it a little bit, so that's why I got the single hex impact and needed a deep one as well. That was so hard. I actually used the jack to get it up, to get the ratchet up. Finally just cracked. Alright, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Just having a little gap there, and controlled leak, I guess. I'm going to put these nuts in there to gap it, and there's this little earth that I need to put back on, so I'll have 2 more nuts, so 5 nuts in that whole section there. I'm just going to start it up and see how it sounds. Might sound really crap. Don't mind that. It's because it's just a leak, it still goes through the muffler. So I'll find a couple of 14s, gap them out, get the earth on there, and we'll go for a drive. Alright guys, start up from the inside. Got a good note to it. See how it goes when it's driving. Let's go. Alright guys, let's see how it sounds. Not too bad. Not too bad. Ooh, got some burbles. Quiet. I can drive it quietly, which is good. But yeah, if I put the foot down, it's loud. Just cruising at 60 in 5th gear. Revs are like 1500. Can't even hear it. Downshift. cheap mod. All you need is two 14mm nuts. I also took the O-ring gasket out, so don't worry, I'm not going to lose it. It's in the garage. There we go, guys. What did you think of that? Does it sound alright? Sounds better once it's probably over about 3,000 RPM. Just cruising around under that. It's pretty droney. If you like this episode, guys, please hit the like button, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. And catch you next episode. Bye.